Let's take a look at one example of how, by using the competency framework, a social worker identifies her current job role through the KRAs, recognizes the knowledge, skills, and behavioral competencies required of her to fulfill her job responsibilities, and uses the Professional Development Guide to chart out her career development plan.
Hello, my name is Jane. Today, I just received my copies of the Competency Framework and Professional Development Guide for Social Workers, and I am keen to start using them. Now, let me see. How can I identify my corresponding job role within the Competency Framework? Aha! Let me check out the KRAs. Based on the KRAs, I am a Social Worker 1. Because I am currently practicing in the direct practice, and it best represents my current daily job scope. After identifying my KRAs and job role, I now need to find out what is the corresponding proficiency level of competencies that I need to fulfill my job responsibilities. Now, let's see. Because I am a Social Worker 1, so my proficiency level for competencies will be at the foundational level. And that means that when I am looking at the list of knowledge, skills, and behavioral competencies, I will be referring to attributes found within the foundational column. Great! So now that I know where my current job role is, how about 5 years down the road? How can I map out my development needs so that I can achieve my aspirational job role 5 years from now? I know that there is an online version of the self-assessment tool which can help me with this. Let me check it out. Step 1 involves me identifying my current job role and the aspirational job role of what I would like to take on in 3 to 5 years' time. For step 2, I will select my proficiency level of each knowledge and skills based on what best describes myself in my current job role. Next, in step 3, I will assess my own behaviors based on what I demonstrate at my current job role. When it comes to step 4, the self-assessment tool provides me with an indication of my immediate and long-term development needs. Finally, in step 5, with the immediate and long-term development needs identified, I can now proceed to create my development plan to address them. I know that there are a number of learning and development interventions available to address my immediate and long-term goals. These include on-the-job experiences, coaching and mentoring, training and education. Now I'm ready to take charge of my career as a social worker.
To download copies of the Competency Framework and the Professional Development Guide for Social Workers, please visit. For inquiries, please write in to NCSS Sector Manpower at sector_manpower@ncsс.gov.sg.